Welcome to the Street.com TV. I'm Sandy Brown here with featured guest Jim Cramer. Jim, today we're going to do a little Beat the Street routine to find out what you think are good picks for players of the game. The first stock I want to key off is Dendreon, which James Altucher mentioned in his article this morning on the Street.com.
I think that Dendreon doesn't have enough data points coming forward. They've said that they're running out of money. They need to do a financing. They do not have anything else between now and a year from now. So I feel like that one has lost its pizzazz, other than the fact that it's still got a heavy short position, so it can turn on a dime. Okay. But there is no substantive reason why it should rally.
So, right, because of the decision last week, it's over. Yeah. There's no reason it's going to bounce back a little bit for players.
No, again, other than the idea that there'll be periodically someone might just say, I have to cover and win. Cover and ring the register, but I don't see any other reason.
Okay. The second one on James, or one of the other ones on James Altucher's list is Whole Foods, and that's again a little bit of a troubling story last week.
Right. I'm writing a story about Whole Foods and Starbucks, saying these stocks are probably exhibit A and B of multiple compression. They had very high multiples because it was perceived that they had double-digit growth. Neither has double-digit growth, so there is nothing cooking. I feel like that Whole Foods was going to get bailed out by the Wilder Oats merger, but suddenly the FTC has taken renewed interest. So I just don't see where the upside is or the downside, frankly. They've just beaten down. They dribble down every day.
So basically it just flatlines for the next little while.
Dribble down. Not to me, a great game stock.
All right, a couple of editors' picks here from me. DreamWorks Animation, big film, coming out.
I'd rather do it with Viacom.
Yeah.
I mean, Viacom has Transformers coming out, and it also has Shrek 3. I think that Viacom's in a fabulous position. That last quarter did not look good on the surface, was an excellent quarter. That's the play going into the summer. I really want to emphasize that Viacom's the best way to play it.
Just so our audience is clear, DreamWorks Animation made Shrek 3. Viacom distributes it, and basically what we're saying here is that Viacom's the play off of
going
that.
Into the summer.
And then lastly, one of your favorites normally, Yamana Gold. Can you trade this for Beat the Street?
I'm looking at Yamana Gold down $1 from its high. I liked the golds. Very good report this morning about the metals by Goldman Sachs. I think the Yamana's good. I'm also doing some work on the Financial Times piece, which had all these quiet metals and how they're doing. Another possibility for the game.
Maybe copper?
Well, more quiet, cobalt, molybdenum. Sure. These are the ones that are really on fire right now.
Okay, well, that's great. You've been watching a special edition of the Street.com TV for Beat the Streeters out there. Godspeed.